Meaning of incantation.
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 Incantation. Incantation refers to the use of spoken or written words, often in a specific sequence or formula, to invoke a supernatural power or effect. It can also refer to the chanting or recitation of these words in a ritual or magical context. The practice of incantation has been prevalent across many cultures and religions throughout history. Its purpose varies from seeking protection, healing, or spiritual enlightenment. The term implies that there is a magical or mystical quality to the words used in the incantation, which are believed to have the power to bring about a desired outcome.